In this video, I'm going to reveal the 10 best affiliate programs that you can start today without approval. In addition, I'm going to show you the best ways that you can promote these affiliate programs and start making money. So watch this entire video to learn how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. 10 affiliate programs that do not require an approval process. One of the biggest hurdles with starting affiliate marketing is you have to find an affiliate program and then submit an application and then wait 2-3 days, maybe even a week to get approved or denied. But with these programs that I'm going to show you today, you can basically sign up, find affiliate programs, and get up and running. So the first one that I want to show you is Clickbank. Now, Clickbank itself is both an affiliate program and an affiliate network. Clickbank has their own affiliate program where they teach people how to make money with affiliate marketing. But within Clickbank itself, it's an affiliate network that is comprised of probably thousands of affiliate programs. The cool thing is you can sign up 100% for free in most countries and then find different affiliate programs based on the niche that you're interested in. This is really powerful. This is really cool to help you cut down on the time that it takes to find affiliate programs. And you can actually apply to multiple programs at one time. You get your affiliate link and then you're up and running within 15 to 20 minutes of creating an account. So #1 is actually with Clickbank. #2 is actually with Digistore 24. It's very similar to Clickbank in that it is a network and a marketplace where you can find tons of different affiliate programs. What you'd want to do again is you want to create a free account, and this one's actually available in more countries than Clickbank. Find one that is related to your niche. So if you're in gardening, you'd want to find a product to promote that's related to gardening. Click on the promote button, get your affiliate link, and start promoting. You can be up and running again within 10 or 15 minutes of going to the Digistore 24 website. So the first two are affiliate networks and kind of an affiliate program as well. #3 is actually with TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is a software as a service that will help you rank and get discovered on YouTube. If you are promoting to YouTubers and they want to grow, they want to make money with YouTube, they want to turn their YouTube side hustle into a real business, you can actually recommend TubeBuddy for them. Now, the cool thing with TubeBuddy is you can get started for free, and as people start to gain traction, they're going to invest more into their business. Now, the best way to promote TubeBuddy is on YouTube, obviously, and to show them how easy it is to use TubeBuddy. You can do comparison videos between TubeBuddy and vidIQ and some of the other software that's out there, but it's really easy. You just show them how to install the Chrome extension, show them the benefits of using TubeBuddy and how it can cut down on the length of time that it can take them to start making money or to grow to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But TubeBuddy is a very good opportunity, and you can eventually start making commissions. The other cool thing with TubeBuddy is that they offer reoccurring commissions. And if we take a look at the pricing here, it does start off very inexpensive, but eventually you can scale up and make very good money, especially as you bring more people aboard the TubeBuddy program. So after TubeBuddy, we have Amazon Associates. Now, I added Amazon Associates kind of as you don't need approvals. You have to get 3 qualified sales in, I think, 3 months. It's either 3 months or 6 months, but I'm pretty sure it's 3 months that you need to get 3 qualified sales. So basically what you do is you click on this sign up button, and Amazon Associates is the affiliate marketing wing of Amazon.com. You click on the sign up button, go through the process. It's going to ask for either a website, a YouTube channel, or an app. You put in that information, and it's going to give you a provisional or conditional approval. What you'll need to do is you'll need to get 3 qualified sales in the specified time frame. And once you get those 3 qualified sales, you'll become a full member. If you don't get the 3 qualified sales, you can always reapply. You'll get reaccepted again, but you'll have to change all of your affiliate links, which can be a headache. But Amazon is another way that you can get started with affiliate marketing, and you don't need a manual approval. After Amazon, we actually have Samcart. Now, Samcart's kind of the new kid on the block, but it can help you create digital products to sell. When I talk about digital products, it can be an ebook, it can be an online course. There is a number of ways that you can use Samcart to make money. As you can see, there are tons of people that are using it, and you can earn reoccurring commissions. If we take a look at the pricing here, you can see that it is not a cheap service, and so you'll make pretty good money, especially when you start stacking commissions. Now, the best way to promote Samcart is for people that are looking to start an online business that have a digital product that they want to sell. What you'd want to do is show them how to create a digital product and then refer Samcart as the vehicle to sell their digital product fast. One of the hardest ways to make money is to just go directly at the product, because that's what everyone else does. But if you can go a level up and you show them how to get started creating their first digital product, or how to sell their digital product faster, or how to make more money with the same digital product, and then recommend Samcart as the solution, you can make money that way. Another cool thing with Samcart is they offer a 14-day free trial, so that can be a good opportunity as well. After Samcart, we have GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is an all-in-one email marketing tool that you can promote and make passive income. Now, the cool thing with GetResponse is they have 2 different affiliate programs. They have a bounty affiliate program where you can get paid $100 per customer one time, or you can earn 33% reoccurring commissions for as long as the customer stays a customer. Now, the interesting thing with all of the affiliate programs that I talk about next, especially with email marketing, is that once a customer gets started with email marketing, it's very difficult for them to separate. The reason being is you already have your sales funnel set up, you have your marketing automation, you have all of that stuff set up. And so it's kind of hard to just pick up and move to the next one. So if you can get someone to stick onto GetResponse or any email marketing software, you're going to hold on to them for a long time. Another thing that you can do is you can provide free training to show them how to do a new feature that is added. And this will actually work for the following ones as well. But GetResponse can be a good opportunity. It has a 30-day free trial. And then after the 30 days, people can get started for, I think, less than $20 per month. If we take a look at the pricing here, you can see it's designed for businesses of all sizes. If we scroll down, all right, so here we go. It starts at $15 per month if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, but then it goes up from there. And what you can do is you can actually show people how to do the different features of GetResponse, as I mentioned. If we take a look at all of the features, they have email marketing, creating a landing pages, autoresponders, all of that stuff, and you can potentially make money. So after GetResponse, we have ActiveCampaign. Now, ActiveCampaign is another email marketing automation software. Again, just like what I mentioned with GetResponse, the best way to make money and to promote it is to show people how to do something, how to set up a landing page, how to set up your first autoresponder. Another great way is to how to generate more leads, or how to make more money with the same leads. And the easiest way to do that is simply with email marketing and following up with them. And what you can do is you can explain to them the benefits of starting email marketing for any business, regardless if it's an online or a physical brick and mortar, and then recommend ActiveCampaign or GetResponse as the solution. As you can see, it starts at $9 per month, and then it goes up from there, depending on the number of leads that you have. But again, ActiveCampaign can be a great way. If you talk about the features and the benefits, you show people how to get more sales, how to make more money with the same subscribers, and then recommend ActiveCampaign, you're going to make some money doing that. Next, we have SEMRush or SEMRush, and this is a tool that allows you to increase traffic to your blog or your website. Now, this can be an incredibly powerful tool if used the right way. You can use it to spy on your competitors. You can use it to find untapped keywords. There's just a number of ways that you can use SEMRush. And the other cool thing with SEMRush is they offer reoccurring commission. So you can get paid month after month as long as the customer remains a customer. As you can see, the pricing plans vary from $119 per month all the way up to $449. And depending on the customer, if the customer is finding success, they're going to stay with it. That's one of the keys. If you can give them additional training for tips and tricks on how to do things different and more efficiently, they're going to tend to stay with the service because you're continuously adding value. The people that don't stick for long periods of time, it's usually because you got them enrolled and now they're saying, what do I do next? But if you could take the time out, if an affiliate takes the time out and they show them, for example, what a project is over on SEMRush, they can keep people for longer. What I'd recommend is do maybe monthly trainings on these different features to teach people how to use it. But SEMRush can be a great way. And again, there is no approval process. After SEMRush, we have Clickfunnels, which is a funnel building software. You can also do email marketing with it. ClickFunnels is very good, very powerful, and they pay up to a 40% commission. The other cool thing with ClickFunnels is that you can win your dream car. If you have 100 active members, they'll actually pay towards your dream car. And the cool thing with ClickFunnels, it's very buzzworthy. It's very topic. It's an industry leader. All of the other guys are trying to come for ClickFunnels. It's very easy to promote the industry leader. And you can use it for anything. You can sell digital products, physical products. You can use it just to build landing pages and then combine it with something else. The cool thing with ClickFunnels is that you can show people, once again, you can show people how to create a membership site. You can show people how to build a funnel. You can create a free course and then give away the different funnels that you've created. One of the competitive advantages that ClickFunnels has over its competitors is that you can share funnels. And the cool thing when you share funnels, it includes your affiliate link. So you give away a funnel for free. People click on that funnel, they download it. As long as they stay past the 14-day free trial, you can make money reoccurring up to 40% month over month. And you can see how you can grow and scale and make money. After ClickFunnels, we have Aweber yet again, another email marketing software. And it's just like I mentioned with GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, and ClickFunnels, is if you teach them how to do something, you teach your customers how to do something, they're going to stay with you. Again, you want to make sure that you are targeting individuals. You could target real estate agents. How to get more clients for your real estate agency, you can show them how to build a web page fast. If we take a look at the pricing, and the other cool thing with Aweber, again, they offer reoccurring commissions. It's free for the first 500 subscribers. And then after that, it increases. It's actually not too bad. Now that you know 10 affiliate programs that do not require an approval, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.